Vincent Sablan, and I'm here to talk to you about the latest trends in technology. As we are all aware of, the technology and inventions in this era or generation keeps getting better. People keeps on innovating things for making life efficient and easier as possible. There's this Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and such. And with these kind of technologies, we are able to build more of it, like using artificial intelligence to build a self-driving car, a refrigerator that keeps track of your food inside it by using Internet of Things. And as these technologies are becoming widely used, it leads a groundbreaking technology to surface, and that is the sensing city or smart city. The sensing city or smart city, from the name itself, is a neighborhood or community that will be composed of smart technologies like autonomous transit shuttle that will rove the streets, robotic mail delivery, and such. The world's first neighborhood built from the internet app, which is known as QuaySide, is a project that is being handled by Sidewalk Labs, which is the urban tech focused subsidiary of Google parent company Alphabet. And this project is also with partnership with Waterfront Toronto, which is the organization that administers revitalizing projects along Toronto waterfront. The QuaySide will compose of all things the 21st century are able to do. That's why the project aims to serve as a model for sustainable neighborhoods. The area will have plenty of sensor collecting data from traffic noise and air quality, and monitoring the performance of the electric grid and waste collection. And reassuringly, Sidewalk Labs told the BBC that the sensors will not be used to monitor and collect information on citizens. Rather, it will be used to allow governments to be flexible about how neighborhoods are used. Some of these techs that will compose the neighborhood are self-driving cars that is controlled by an app and to be the backbone of the neighborhood transport. The project also has a plan to reimagining of buildings via a concept known as the loft, which is a strong structures that use wood but flexible interiors so usage could be changed as needed. The city also plans to develop a weather control that will encourage citizens to make the most of outdoor space. A retractable plastic canopies will shelter people from rain, and while heated pedestrian and bike paths will melt snow. But Mr. Doktorov, the Chief Executive Officer of the Sidewalk Lab, is not naive about the challenge of creating such city. The hardest part of this will be the integration of innovation and urbanization, and there is a huge gulf between the urbanists, which is the people who run and plan cities, and technologies. Whether the Google firm's city experiment will fulfill this promise is one many will be watching with interest. And that is all for the Sensing City. Thank you.